While the market as a whole has been selling off and not looking the best, even with the rebound today, a lot of people have been asking me what stocks I'm currently long on and what stocks I think are actually bullish. And so what I wanted to do today was share with you my thoughts on Cava, because Cava is meeting all of our requirements to enter into a new potential bull cycle. And in most cases, when these bull cycles happen, price will break out for about 6 to 12 months. And I do believe that there's a pretty good chance, about 60 to 65% chance, that Cava is going to expand in the next 6 to 12 months up to about $120 to $150. Now, the reason for this is because both triggers within our long-term trading strategy have now been met. You're going to see at the top right side of your screen that this chart is normally going to tell us how this strategy would have performed over the long term. Now, Cava is a new stock relative to the strategy because this looks at long-term data. So there are no entries or exits for this stock specifically. But if we look at a lot of other past stocks like QQQ, in most cases, you have about a 55% win rate with an 8-to-1 risk versus reward. Netflix, most of the time, these stocks, and any stock really, even if we look at like a dog like Lululemon, which has been trading like shit, is normally going to have a 40 to 50% accuracy rating with about an 8 to 12 risk versus reward. So this strategy on its own is not highly successful, normally about a coin toss. But what makes the strategy so successful long term is the risk versus reward. If we truly enter into a new bull cycle, this thing could expand for multiple months or even multiple years. A really good example of this is actually Carvana, which was in the same type of setup as this. We had a multi-year bull cycle or bull rally. This is what we're really looking for when we're trading something like this, followed by a multi-year bear cycle, which is usually shown in dark red, and followed once again by a multi-year bull cycle. So if we look right now at Cava, you are going to see that we are entering into what could potentially be a new bull cycle. Now, what exactly does the strategy look for in order to take a position? Well, it's basically twofolds. The first thing is we need to make sure there's buying pressure in the stock. This is shown by this monthly BX trender at the bottom of your screen, increasing dark or increasing light red or showing green, which we currently have. The second thing is the trend has to be bullish. So you can see that now, finally, after multiple years, we are trending up. This has switched to green. So when both of those happen, this is now considered a new bull cycle. And so if we look at something like Cava, this is now looking like the potential retracement and now reversion into a bullish cycle is most likely going to happen. The other thing that I want you to take into account is that structure on this macro is still bullish. You can see we had this huge breakout here in 2024. Price pulled back and actually pulled back to make a higher low. So in most cases, this is going to mean that we're going to get a continued breakout to the upside. Now, if you want to get access to this strategy and all the indicators that you see here, the link to our free courses will be down in the description. They're completely free. They're all in sequential order. BX Trender is going to be here under step 1, and step 3 is going to be market bias, which is that tape indicator. We actually have a new course coming at the end of this month. But what you're going to also learn over there is the smart money zones, which is under step 3. Smart money zones can be found by taking your Fibonacci retracement, going from swing low to swing high, and then pulling out. These zones are extremely important because the smart money zone is normally going to be the lowest that institutions allow a stock to pull back to. And it's also going to be the lowest that price will normally pull back to within a bullish market structure. So you can see that price pulls right back into this level and bounces to perfection in that smart money zone. Now, what I used to do in the past was enter solely on the smart money zones. And from what I found is that, yes, you'll get a much better price. Like if you would have entered inside of that smart money zone, you'd already be up close to 46%. But the problem is that if you do not wait for confirmation with buying pressure, which is what we've waited for now, yes, you'll get a better price. But if price just continues to shit the bed, you have no real way to get out of the trade. Something that I got crushed on last year was sweet green. And if you look, the strategy was not bullish on sweet greens back here, but I used a smart money zone. I tried to enter inside of this level and eventually took a massive hit. So waiting for the confirmation is very important. And we finally have that on Cava. So at this point, I think that yes, short term, maybe next month or two, price could maybe reject a little bit, come back to test $70. But I think that if we're looking at this over the next 6 to 12 months, there is a pretty high chance that Cava will be trading back around $120 to $140. And so this stock is definitely on my radar, and I will continue to trade it as we head into the future.